Hey there, lovelies! I am going to make my video from outside because, oh my god, this weather today. And I'm gonna show you my latest sticks that I purchased and one deck that arrived from a swap. And let's just dig in. The first one is the Ancient Enlightened Tarot, which is the Solabusca actually. This is the one from Lo Scarabeo. A little white book that comes with it is in English only. And I've searched for this deck for quite a while because I want to dig into the Rider White and this one side by side because a lot of the Rider White has been taken from this beautiful deck. I'm not gonna show all the cards, I'm just showing some. I will do the review of the deck with close-up on sometime later. But yeah, this is the beautiful Solabusca Tarot, which I'm really happy about, like all of my decks. Okay, next is the Dark Grimoire, which came in Russian. I wanted it to be Russian because it has no... We have a road down there, so... Okay. I want... Where was I? Okay, the Russian language deck I wanted because it has black borders and only one language here, not all over the place, so I don't have to trim it. But what I did not expect, it's really dark, I'm not sure if you can see anything. It's a dark deck and a dark deck, which means look at the fool in straight jacket. And let me show you strength. The Hanged Man is really hanging there. Death card, beautiful. The Devil is awesome, just awesome. I hope the camera focuses because I can't really see in the sunlight what the camera does there. Okay, I wanted to show you the strength card, which I totally lost. The World. And what I didn't expect with the Russian deck, that the cardstock is really thin. Really not good. I don't like that. Although it's the Lo Scarabeo version, but they print it in Russia. And let me find the strength card. I want to show you that one. Why can't I find it? I know it was here. And Sun. I find this deck to be a great shadow work, kinda deep, 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 deep digging deck. And what's interesting about it, I printed out the from somewhere the images, and I have used the deck before I actually got it in real cardstock. So I already know how wonderful punches this deck is throwing. I have already learned a lot, even without having the actual deck. The little white book comes with it in Russian only, which is okay because I can read and understand it. Now, next is the Deviant Moon, which I said I don't like, but I want to give these decks that doesn't it appeal me, or are, how to say it, unlikable. The decks that I don't like, I want to give them special attention because maybe there's something hidden that is for me, and me not liking it will reveal through the cards. I must say, now that I have the deck in my hand, it really looks better than I anticipated, and I will use it for myself only. I don't think I will read someone else with this deck. So this was a purchase also. Now, where was I? The gift I got from a dear friend whom I met via deck swapping earlier this year, and we talked about the Zekoli tarot, how it's not available to shipping in my country, so she figured I need the deck and sent it for me as a gift. And it is a mini version, which is awesome and cute, and how honest it is and how much it shows. It's just wonderful. And what else? Since I began with my journey with cards with the playing card deck, which is poker size, and I've used to rifle shuffle this kind of deck, and I can't do it with tarot. I tried, they are too big, and I've bent some of the cards in my rehearsal deck, so I don't wanna ruin my decks by rifle shuffling. But this one I can totally do awesomely, but I can't bow them because they're too tiny. They just don't bend. But awesome. And I love how tiny it is. I can fit it in my pocket. I can carry it with me everywhere. And the last that came in yesterday was the swap deck, the Tarot of the She. And oh my god, this deck, I just looked through the cards once, and you know the feeling of overwhelming recognition or joy when you will tear up, not from the sadness, but from joy and the feels. I got that out of this deck by just sifting through the cards this one time. I didn't even dig in deep, which I will do today. That's why I gathered all my decks outside. I can do it in the nature, and the she is just, ooh, I can't even describe the all the myriad of feels I had from just looking at. This is the back. I'm not sure if I showed you the back of the Ancient Enlightened. I'm thinking about trimming this. I don't like the 6 languages here, and I'm not sure how I will work out this white box with trimming. I will have to think about that. And the dark grimoire deck had this back. But the she, whew, I am totally amazed how much I connected with it immediately, and I am so happy and so lucky I got this at this time when the spring is coming, and this is the perfect time to work with this deck. I think right now everything is growing, and to see all the birds singing, they are singing so loud. I can hear it when I try to sleep, and it's beautiful. Okay, this was it. The weather is really beautiful. If you have this kind of weather and opportunity, go outside and enjoy the nature. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a beautiful everything. Bye.